are suiting up right now. It is very rainy, but it's not that cold out. So for November, it's a pretty good day to surf, if I do say so myself. The waves look small, nice today. Very cloudy out there. I don't see anybody out there, but besides on the drive-on beach. But either way, it should be fun. Worst part's really just suiting up. Once you're in the water, it's not that bad. But hopefully it's good out there. I'll see you guys in the water. Today, I don't know, it's so cloudy and the current is so strong right now. Not working out. Guys, there's snow outside. The reason why is because, well, we're up at Hunter Mountain.
Drop facts, cause y'all don't wanna go there with that. Stakes is high. Take me out with the fader. I'm unspeakable. Drop facts, cause y'all don't wanna go there.
Alright, Hunter's special to me for a lot of reasons, but pretty much the main one being that it's my ski home, and it's been my ski home since I was 4 years old. And today is so exciting because we're finally up for the winter. And pretty much exactly what we're doing right now is we're getting ready to ski for opening day. This is my first ever opening day really in like all of my skiing, which is kind of crazy, but today it opened on Saturday and it opened at 10 a.m. which is even better, so I get to sleep a little later and we're gonna head out there. So first runs of the season coming right up. I hope it's gonna be a good one. Let's get out there. snow is actually so good right now. Like, for opening day, these are pretty freaking amazing conditions. Alright, that is a wrap on opening weekend. We are very happy with the way it went, and we think we're going to have a really good season going forward. The snow was really good this weekend. It was soft. The snowmaking right under the snowmakers had some really nice powder that was just making fly everywhere. It was awesome. And there's barely any ice. It got a little slick at the end of the day, but it was really good. It held up great, so I bet we're going to have a great season. Just eating dinner after the whole day of skiing. I threw in a few clips from let me get situated. I threw in a few clips from the day after opening day, but really wasn't that different, so I hope you guys enjoyed all the footage I got. Really feel like my filming and skiing has progressed so much since last season. Skiing is getting there, definitely. The filming for sure, though. So yeah, I don't have much else to say other than thank you guys so much for watching. Really enjoy making these videos, and I'm glad that people are enjoying them, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to eat some salmon, and then, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.